Have you ever noticed something strange? The exact same car, same engine, same everything. But in the United States, the manual says use 0W-20 oil, while in Europe or even parts of Asia, it recommends 5W-30 or thicker. That's not a small difference. That's a completely different oil behavior. So what's going on here? Are engines built differently? Are manufacturers hiding something? Or is one oil actually better than the other? Because choosing the wrong oil could slowly destroy your engine or save it. Today, we're breaking down the real reason behind this global oil mystery and what you should actually be using. Section 1. What do these numbers even mean? Before we go deeper, let's quickly understand what 0W-20 and 5W-30 actually mean. The first number, 0W or 5W, is how the oil flows when the engine is cold. The second number, 20 or 30, is thickness when the engine is hot. So, 0W-20, is thinner oil, flows faster. 5W-30, thicker oil, offers more protection under heat. Simple enough. But here's where things get interesting. Cheers. Section 2. Why the US uses 0W-20 in the United States. Automakers are under heavy pressure to meet strict fuel economy standards, like CAFE standards, corporate average fuel economy. Here's the trick. Thinner oil, less friction. Less friction hows better fuel economy. Better fuel economy. Manufacturers avoid fines. 0W-20 isn't always about engine protection. It's often about squeezing out extra MPG, miles per gallon, to meet government rules. Even a small gain like 1 to 2% better efficiency matters when millions of cars are involved. Section 3. Why Europe uses 5W-30 now. Let's look at Europe. European regulations focus more on engine longevity, high-speed driving, long oil change intervals. Think about roads like the Autobahn, where cars regularly drive at very high speeds. At those speeds, engines run hotter, oil gets thinner. Protection becomes critical. That's why 5W-30 is preferred. It maintains a stronger protective film under stress. It's Section 4. Same engine, different priorities. Here's the truth most people don't realize. The engine is the same, but the priorities are different. In the US, focus sucked to fuel economy driving, to shorter trips. Stop-and-go traffic oil, thinner, 0W-20. In Europe, focus, durability at high speeds driving, long highway runs, oil, thicker, 5W-30. So manufacturers adjust oil recommendations based on region, not engine design. Section 5. Is 0W-20 dangerous? Now the big question. Is 0W-20 bad for your engine? Not necessarily. Modern engines are designed with tighter tolerances, meaning thinner oil can still protect them under ideal conditions. But here's the catch. If you drive in hot climates, push your engine hard, carry heavy loads, or want maximum long-term protection, a slightly thicker oil like 5W-30 may offer better wear protection. Section 6. What should you use? Here's the smartest approach. Always start with your owner's manual. Consider your driving conditions. Think about climate and engine stress. If you're in a hot region like Bangladesh, driving in traffic, dealing with high temperatures, 5W-30 might actually be a safer long-term choice for engine health. But don't jump blindly. Some engines truly require 0W-20 for proper oil flow. Section 7. The hidden truth. Here's something most car companies won't openly say. Oil recommendations are sometimes influenced by regulations, not just what's best for engine longevity. That means the recommended oil might be optimized for emissions tests, fuel economy ratings, not always maximum durability over 200,000 plus miles. So next time you see different oil recommendations for the same engine, don't assume one is right and the other is wrong. It's all about where the car is driven, how it's used, and what regulations manufacturers are trying to meet. If you want your engine to last longer, not just pass fuel economy tests, you need to think beyond the label. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to Car Care Fix for more real-world car tips, and comment below, what oil are you using right now? Because the right oil choice today could save you thousands tomorrow.